Well, happy Friday, everybody. Jim Hanson here, coming at you from Academy Mortgage, another installment of Mortgage, Real Estate, and Life. So we have a conversation for 2 minutes, maybe a little over 2 minutes. Anyway, 2 weeks ago, I came out, the Dream for All program from California Housing Finance Authority. I said it was probably last 30 to 60 days. It lasted 11 days. So a lot of families got helped, but we got to retool, figure out, restructure some things, and go help those families that couldn't get into the program. So anyway, it might come back at some point in the future. We don't know when, so stay tuned. On the other front, I told you I was going to talk about quarter number 1 and quarter number 2. Quarter number 1 is behind us. What we're going to take is what we did or didn't do in Q1 and apply it to Q2. I'll share a couple things. Here's my business plan. Got it out. Jim Hanson right there, 2023. Okay. So keep, start, and stop was an important part of my plan. And I'm just going to tell you, I want to stop no negative self-talk. I want to stop monitoring my email while I'm prospecting. And I want to stop walking in the house with nothing positive to say to my family. So it's not just business, it's also life. And then on the opportunity front, sharing some numbers, where I wanted to be for Q1, where I am, and where I need to do in quarter number 2 to change things up. I am currently 9 opportunities behind per month to be on target for my end of year goal. I need to talk to 9 more people, whether it be a realtor, a past client, a CPA, a referral partner, a estate attorney, a financial planner, whatever it happens to be, to talk to 9 more people each month. So I'm on track this month to do that. If you're looking at your financial or your business plan, do it, take some things out of it, make some adjustments, and go get them. All right, that's all I got. Jim Hanson, 916-730-4402, jimhanson.net on the web, and make it a super awesome weekend. It's going to be great. Thanks.